you have bikers, right? That say, if you see a scooter, a guy on a scooter, okay, and they wave, you know, bikers say, you know, don't be an ass, you know, they're still on two wheels. Give them a wave. You have respect for them for being on two wheels. But you would think, because Harleys and other bikes, they're not that different. Like what's so different about it? The name, you know, the label. So you have these bikers that will wave to a scooter, but you have Harleys that won't wave to sport bike riders or you know, street bikes. I find that so ridiculous, man. What's so special about having a Harley? You're still on a bike. It still has gears. Of course, I love Harleys, man. I love them. I plan on having a Harley one day. Maybe the Sportster or the V-Rod, or my favorite is the Night Rod. But like, don't get me wrong, I love Harleys. I plan on having one in the future. So I'm saying this out of, you know, my knowledge that Harleys are still bikes, man. Sport bikes are still bikes. So why can't we just all get along? I don't know, man. I find it ridiculous. They don't even they don't wave, you know, like they're too good. If ever I have a Harley, I'm not gonna fucking say, oh, I'm too good for them. They don't deserve my arm going through gravity about 9 inches and getting a simple gesture of hello, you know, or props to you, or nice bike. Anyways, I hope I got my point across. Man, what a nice day. It was a long and cold winter, but we got through it. I don't know if you guys saw it before, but some fucking asshole tried to cut me off. He was in the right lane, and the lane was turning into you know, like parked cars. So he tried to cut in, and he almost freaking hit me. Don't tell me it's gonna be one of those days. Fucking stupid. You see what I mean, man? Fucking people coming out of nowhere and shit. Tunnel door. If you get your own restaurant, wouldn't you want to name it something people can read? You know, advertisement. Tunnel door. Tunnel door. Canada. Man, I hate this street. Fucking dodging holes like it's a fucking war zone. Like bombs went off this motherfucker. Oh man, I must admit though, it does feel good. 6 months without riding. Fuck. It's a little nippy. And when I say nippy, I mean like not freezing, but cold enough to get your nipples hard. That's nippy. Nippy. Yeah, I have a lot of weird names, just to let you know. You know what song I have in my head right now? Grease. Not the one that's like a grease of lightning, na na, wella wella wella. The one that goes. I'm not the best singer, but I think I got my point across. Hey, that's where I got baptized. The Church of Palm Beach. That's why downtown, man, you gotta fucking be as alert as can be. that guy didn't give a shit. See, that's one thing riders should do. You know, it's not all about signals and horns and shit. It's about hand gestures too. He just gave a simple point over because a car was pulling up. All the little things make a difference.